Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you another base faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on the website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. You can claim free Bitcoin every 10 minutes. First of all, go to your faucetpay, copy your Bitcoin wallet orders from faucetpay, go to deposit, copy your Bitcoin wallet orders from here and come down in here and just paste your Bitcoin wallet orders in here and just click claim. It's so easy to solve. Let the capture is solved. This capture is available in here. After solving, just solve the edge capture, and you can see it is a train airplane. Just click airplane available in here and just click claim now, and you can see two Satoshi. This website send me to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay to show you this website already pay me or not, and you can see this website send me my Satoshi. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.